right up to Nambole, to district and then to the National Tally Center. That system is defective. We want the primary tally center to be handled at a constituency level so that we know which candidate has won in a particular constituency, and we have a tally center there throughout the entire country. We wanted to emphasize that. Lastly, Mr. Chairman, as a way of emphasis on the issue of stampeding in Parliament, Mr. Chairman, we are really concerned with the way this bill is being handled. We are really concerned. I'm posing this challenge to you, Mr. Chairman, and the entire committee. You critically reflect on this. You are setting a precedent whereby you are handling a constitutional amendment bill just like any other amendment bill, like a bill to amend the penal code, domestic relations bill, or any other bill. This constitution was promulgated by the Constituent Assembly following a comprehensive study that was carried out by the Commission.
Update to include other elements which are in the core document that are not captured in the detailed document. There are, for example, proposals which are very critical regarding the management of security of elections, deal with security of elections. There are, many proposals regarding the handling of the patronage system that Mheshimiwa Ogalo talked about, beyond what was contained in just separating